Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle seat post in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle seat posts to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is MEROCA Wireless Dropper Seat Post. Specifications: brand name, Lingmai. Model, Elevo 01. Material, aluminum alloy. Control, remote control, Bluetooth connection. Load bearing, 120 kilograms. Battery, 300 mAh. Origin, China. Number 4 is Silverock Bike Carbon Seat Post. Specifications: brand name, Silverock. Type, bicycle seat post. Diameter, 30.9 to 32.0 millimeters. Material, carbon fiber. Length, 600 millimeters. Max load, 90 kilograms. Color, 3K matte UD. Origin, China. As the item number 3, we've selected fastest telescopic seat post. Specifications: brand name, fastest. Length, 440 millimeters. Diameter, 27.2 to 28.6 millimeters. Material, alloy. Feature, hydraulic seat tube. Travel, 125 millimeters. Control system, internal control, external cable remote. Origin, China. Number 2 is Ryro Bicycle Dropper Seat Post. Specifications: brand name, Ryro. Type, bicycle seat post. Diameter, 30.9 to 32.0 millimeters. Material, alloy. Length, 250 to 400 millimeters. Travel, 100 millimeters. 125 millimeters. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have MEROCA Bicycle Dropper Seat Post. Specifications: brand name, MEROCA. Type, bicycle seat post. Length, 250 to 400 millimeters. Diameter, 30.9 millimeters, 31.6 millimeters. Material, alloy. Origin, China.